Best Buy was having a sale. I said, oh, this is great. A few dollars off. Let me get it. It's the wrong one.
And we help consumers diversify their shopping with Black entrepreneurs.
Being a boss, imagine being the father of a household, and every decision that you make affects every single person in the house.
Good morning. Today is June 30th, 2024, and we in here cooking. Okay, it's a little messy. I've got parts and pieces everywhere. You guys, eventually I'm learning how to make candles. You'll see that maybe in the future. Let's do a tour. Bookshelf built, boom, going into the space in which we move in tomorrow. Woo! And then I built this bookcase, if you guys remember, and there's product waiting to be labeled, sort of like packaged up and whatnot, and I'm super excited about that. I love just like creating. I love being in my flow of formulating. It's just so relaxing for me. I watch YouTube videos, I listen to jazz music, I listen to any kind of music really, but usually it's like a soothing, relaxing thing for me. It just puts me in the mind of Someday Sunday. And down here, I am building the reception area or the reception desk, or whatever you want to call it, for the retail space. I know this vlog is going to be very disjointed, but it's going to be like forward movement. I have a vendor event that I'm getting ready for this weekend. And so I'm kind of prepping for two things at once. So there's just a lot going on. The reception area has to serve two purposes. One, to check customers out, and two, for customers to test products. And as I'm going through this, all I can do is think about my mother, who's the first example of an entrepreneur in my life. She was so independent. I watched her with 4 kids take herself through cosmetology school, get her license, get her business license, become a landlord, own a salon. She is incredible. Whether there was a man in her life or not, she never used anything as an excuse not to excel. I'm proud to be her daughter. She's my inspiration. My family is my motivation. And here is the reception area. Stay tuned for more. Hey loves, welcome back. No, today is July 1st, 2024, and I am headed to pick up my U-Haul van. And of course, it is raining cats and dogs. It just randomly started raining this morning, and I'm just like, how? Why? But I feel super happy today because I am moving into my new retail space today. Hey. Super excited. I've got hubby with me, Da Vinci. You know, we're trying not to crash.
You just call me hubby.
No, I called you Da Vinci.
No, I heard you call me.
I said oh my gosh, hubby and Da Vinci. Oh my gosh, you're gonna be.
Huggy.
Your dad is my husband. Your dad is my husband, Da Vinci. Anyway, I'm gonna not crash. So, see you when we get to the space. Bye. All right, update, y'all. We are going to be an hour and a half behind schedule because it ended up being a huge storm. And we're at the U-Haul, and we actually showed up early for the U-Haul, a half an hour early, and we still left out of there. It took us an hour because their network was super slow or down or something, I think due to the storm. So we were supposed to be at the space by 12 noon, and the window was only from 10 to 2. And it is now approaching, it's 1:10 now. I won't get there until 1:30. I hate being late, especially this late. But I think that they're just kind of hanging out there, so I think that they'll be forgiving. I'm in the space. I made it. I was so late, but Jay was able to get here, unload with Dan. I got here, everything was already loaded, and I'm in the space. So everyone is going to be kind of working out their own space. One of the girls has a fashion brand. This is going to be her space. This is going to be like a little sitting area. They did this meal.
But I think I just
section this area off for education.
There's a dog here. Yeah, there's two holes. It's a very small hole and a bigger hole. And I put treats and different peanut butter stuff in there to keep them occupied. But obviously,
Da Vinci and Miranda's here.
and
And there's an empty space here, and then this is my space.
It's not enough.
So far, we need to really zhuzh it up over here, but at least the big furniture is here.
All the stuff you put here needs to be green and white.
Yeah.
Here needs to be the pink and the tan flowers.
Yeah, we need some
That's what's
colors.
going
This
to,
is
so
way
that what
too
happens
stark.
is they start to balance each other out. Okay?
Okay. And then up here, eventually, I want like,
And then the
it would be
yeah.
amazing to have like imagery of like the cream being like spread on, like, you know what I mean? Like, and then we'll have our neon sign here. It looks like it never rained, okay? Drop off success. Now, headed to Home Goods, see if we can get some decor stuff. This is the fun part. You can add tequila to this. This is kind of
I'm just too curious. I gotta try it.
Yeah. It's kind of tight.
Cosmo?
Wow.
Yeah, we'll do a Cosmo.
Really? I'm surprised.
Oh no, I'm in this. They're $7. Yeah.
This is kind of cool. I hope it tastes good.
Yeah, I'm just kidding. Ooh.
Oh yeah, no. We're getting the strawberry sunrise instead. All right. We're supposed to be shopping for decor.
No, I mean,
and here we go.
Because this section.
Immediately, I wanted to go shopping to find seating, but in the process of shopping, I came across this beauty. It is perfect for the brand.
On top of the bookshelf. Babe, that would be stupid.
That's wild.
I hate the things on top. Take the shit out. But I would put some like this in that.
We're doing it. We're doing it. Oh, it's so tight. This is kind of cool. Look at how cute that is. Actually, this will go with our place really well.
I like this.
Yeah.
It's like this, like some like you, the house of Versace.
my room. It can actually fit my room.
Yeah, your room can, yeah, you have a lot of space in your room.
Oh yeah.
We're at my new favorite place, and we're doing one of Jay's favorite things to do, and that is buy flowers.
My husband, who is a professional designer and artist, has volunteered to do the bouquet. And one of my favorite things about his artistry is not only does he keep the brand in mind, he does an excellent job melding masculine and feminine.
Oh, he's trying to think of the accents first.
Progress update.
Are you fine?
I think it needs more actual white to bring the white thingy in. Don't you think?
I love how it's turning out.
Look how that we're looking
It's
at.
really pretty. It brings a really feminine element.
That's
to
what you
it.
want.
It's
like a laciness to
delicate-
it.
Yeah.
That is.
Can you show me?
Body.
He likes the unexpected.
Yeah, it'll
I
look
don't
nice.
know that mushroom-looking thing looked like right with it. And he has done it. I don't know if you guys can see the tiredness on my face. I'm hiding my hair. I'm exhausted. But today was such a inspiring day. And Jay came through helping me with the bouquet. I cannot wait. You have to let me just set the camera up while you put it together. Because here's the thing. Jay does the most incredible things, but he also doesn't necessarily like a camera on while he's in his creative process. But I think if we can just put the camera behind you or over your shoulder, because he does such a good job putting stuff together. And I know y'all be like, well, how'd you do that? Okay, you haven't even gotten a chance to see the vase. He just did a floral arrangement for my Someday Sunday wall, and it's so pretty, you guys. So this is kind of my mood board for the retail space, and this right here is kind of my concept for how I'd like it to turn out. And I'm deciding between the green and the brown, and they both called to me for different reasons. But it's weird because Jay mentioned the green, bringing nature from the outside in.
And I'm normally not a green rug kind of person, but maybe it's because it's pulling this green from the sign. I'm not 100% sure. I mean, dark brown would also give a different vibe, but what I really would like is cream. It might be a little bit too blendy, and also if something spills on it, it's just gonna get terrible over time. So I'm gonna go with one of these two colors. We have picked up the stool that I'm going to use for the retail space. Yay! Today is July 21st, 2024. We're about 5 days away from the retail grand opening, and I am working on images and content geared toward the launch, and also just letting people know that we have something going on Instagram. So if you're not already following, go ahead and follow. I have been recovering from juice jams, trying to anyway, coughing up a lung, having throat coat and Ricola and all the things while still preparing for this. I'm super excited, very excited, and I'm just so grateful that I have so much footage that I can post, especially while I am under the weather. It's a journey, but we in here. I'm back. 811 retail space right there. Here at the retail space, and we have a lot of work to do, so I'm just gonna get started. They did that. So we got these Lazy Susans, and I'm trying to figure out the tester situation. My issue was when I got this desk, it was an alternate desk that I wanted that was around the same color as the bookcase that you see. It's so stark white, so the idea is to bring as much of that wood color on to the white to meld them together. You like so far? Thank you. So we're gonna leave. This is the space so far. So I am now on the hunt for plants. question. The online launch is Friday, September 20th. Whoop whoop. Super excited about that. You guys are the first to know. I haven't announced it to my newsletter, feed, anything. So if you have not signed up for Someday Sunday's newsletter, please do, because quantities are going to be limited. It is going to be a pre-order, and whatever is there until the next launch. So you definitely want to get on top of that.
LaToya Ebony Searle started crafting her skincare lines during COVID, but only officially started her Someday Sunday business in January.
4, 3, 2, 1.